Hey, welcome back to AtcoPestControl.com. I'm Bobby Ramirez. Today we are doing a inspection for this homeowner. It's winter, rodents are trying to get into the structure. They're hearing noises. We're going to show you what to look for around your home. So as you can see, this vent right here is not securely fastened. So we'll come back later, we'll hammer it in for them, make sure the screen itself is intact. And the other thing we're going to point out to the homeowner is their bushes and their shrubs. They come up right against the house. It's a perfect area for the rodents to nest. So we're going to recommend that they trim them back so that there's a nice 2-foot clearance gap from any shrubs, bushes, and the foundation of their home. That's tip number one, step number one for reducing rodents from entering your home. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. And if you're having any problems in the North Bay area, give us a call. We'd love to service you, help you out. AtcoPestControl.com. Cool, thanks guys.